Dear students, today we are going to do the experiment in the PSpice lab, that is clipper and clamper circuit. So first of all, we are going to do it with the PSpice OrCAD Capture. So first of all, we have to click on the OrCAD Capture software. Then this window will be appearing. In that, go to File, New, Project. Then we have to type the name, that is clipper, and you have to select the location. Then OK. Then create blank project. OK. Now you have to draw the circuit. For that you are clicking P on the keyboard. So place a part will come. First of all, you have to place the sine wave sources, sinusoidal sources. So V sine you are clicking there. Then this will be appearing, that is a source will be coming. You can select according to. So you can click OK. Then that is a sine wave and you can place it there. Then escape. Then you want to select resistor. So place a part P. Then R. Click R. Then you can select the resistor, that is R analog. OK. Then place it on the screen. R. Then escape. Then you have to select a diode. For that we are using 1N4001. So D 1N4007. You can type it there. Then place a part. Then you have to select it and OK. Then place it there by clicking there, and you can rotate it by pressing R on the keyboard, and you can click there. Then escape. Then for taking the wire W, click W on the keyboard. Then click on the node of each component and drag it to other node. Then the circuit will be wired. Then escape. Then you have to place ground. That will be obtaining from the tool side. And then escape. You can place the ground and then the escape. Then to write the values of R1, double click on that value and place and type 3.3K. Then double click on V offset and double click on V amplitude, and you can enter the value as 5. Amplitude will be 5 and a 10 volt peak to peak value will be there, and frequency is 1 kilohertz, 1000 hertz, that is 1 millisecond sine wave. And next go to PSpice new simulation. We have to type the name, that is clipper circuit. Then create. Then you have to place the node for taking the input and output. Before that you have go to simulation setting. You have to enter the values. Run to time 3 millisecond. Maximum step size 10 micro second. Then you can name the nodes as input and output. That first of all we are typing input. That is input, that is obtained by clicking on the place net alias. Then OK, and you can drag it there, and then input side will be named as input. Then place net alias and type output. Actually this is for identifying the input waveform and output waveform. If we are naming it here, then it will be appearing on the waveform. Okay, so next we can place nodes by clicking there and drag it, and again we can click at the output side also. Output side also you can click, the node will be appearing. Then escape. Then now you can run. So the waveform will be appearing with the names input and output. Now you can see here that there is V input and V output. You can see here that the input sine wave is green in color, you can see there, and the red color wave is V output, that is clearly marked there. And now both of the input and output are appearing in the same plot, and now you can separate these plots. Let us see. First of all you have to go plot and add plot to window. Then 2 windows will be appearing. In order to place the input there, go to trace and input is V input. So click on that V input, then OK. So input will be appearing there. In order to delete the input waveform in this second figure, you have to click there V input and delete it. Now input and output are separated. Okay, this is the way you can see the input and output on separate plots. Okay, now you can see the values. You can see here the negative, this is the complete sine wave, input sine wave, and here the negative side, in the output negative side is clipped off. You can see here that this is 5 volt peak to peak, and from the circuit of the negative clipper, you know that in the positive clipper, negative clipper, you can you know that the negative side is clipped at the point minus 0.6. So in the waveform you can see at the minus 0.6 the negative side is clipped off. Okay, so you can see the values of 0.6 by clicking there. To see the wave, to see the point on the waveform, trace, cursor, display. Now you can see the point. So now you can click on the point on the output waveform, then go to that particular tool, that mark a point, then that point will be appearing here, that is amplitude. Amplitude is minus 551.71 millivolt, that is minus near to minus 0.6 volt. That on the negative side the waveform is clipped at minus 0.6 volt. Actually minus 551 millivolt means 0.551 volt. Okay, so that is corresponding to minus 0.6. Okay, so that is the way we are seeing the output waveform point. Okay, also on that window you can see the points minus 551.76, that is the amplitude. Okay, so that's all about this clipper. Now we are going to do positive clipper, and comparing to negative clipper, the diode connection is reversed in the case of positive clipper, and the circuit is drawn as we said previously. So now let us run this. Okay, now click on the run PSpice. So this is you can see that in that waveform positive part of the waveform is clipped. You can see that a red color shows the output waveform, in that positive part is clipped, negative side is retained there. Okay, now here also you can see the points on the waveform. Okay, before that you have to split this input and output into separate windows. So go to the plot and separate windows, then trace, add to plot, then V input is on the separate plot. You can mark or you can find a particular point on the output waveform. For that click on that trace and then cursor, display, and then click on the particular point on the output waveform, then click on that tool, so that output waveform value will be appearing there. And here you can see that the voltage is 586.623 millivolt, that means 0.586 volt, that is approximately equal to 0.6 volt. So positive part voltage is plus 0.6 volt, nearly plus 0.6 volt, and the first entry is 290.244 microsecond. Actually that is the time elapsed between the clicked point and from the zero starting time, from the starting time. Okay, so this is the way we can see a particular point on the output waveform. That's all about this positive clipper.